So here it is, the EPISEEK kit has arrived. This will be a brief unboxing. Probably the most important thing to know is you don't need to unbox this at all. Just keep it at room temperature. Make sure it doesn't get above 87 degrees. Make sure it doesn't freeze. Other than that, you don't even need to open the box. But I'm gonna open the box for you because I know you're curious about what's going on inside. So let's take a look. It opens from the front. The first thing you'll notice are collection instructions. This is for the phlebotomist, the person who's collecting the specimen. They already know how to do this, but we do include these just in case. There is a return service mailer. This envelope will house the entire specimen to make sure it gets to our lab in Tucson after the specimen's been collected. You can see we have this polystyrene box, and why we have that is for two reasons. Number one, we don't want the specimen to be bouncing around too much on the way in transit. And also it helps control the temperature inside this. Again, whether it's really cold outside in the winter or it's really hot outside, we want to make sure the specimen stays at temperature. Inside, you'll see that there is a biospecimen hazard bag or biospecimen bag or bio bag. Inside there, you'll see there are some collection tube labels. Most places that draw blood will have their own labeling system, but if not, they can use these manually, put the patient's information on there and put them on each tube. Then inside also, we see there is an absorbent pad, and this just stays inside the biohazard bag. It's part of transportation requirements. This is a gel pack that can be, again, either room temperature or cool with a refrigerator, but not frozen. We don't want to freeze the specimen. And then finally, you can see the collection tubes. These are called Streck tubes. And these are just special tubes that we use for our particular test. The phlebotomist that draws the specimen is very used to doing this kind of work. Once they draw the specimen, they'll put this all back together, get it in that FedEx mailer, and get it to us down in Tucson.